Ever imagine having an AI assistant that's not just smart, but intuitive? Like a friend who knows exactly when to chime in with advice while you're cooking, fixing a bike, or building something. That's the future these researchers are building, and it starts with teaching AI to understand what you're doing as you do it. The problem? Traditional AI systems are like students who only study from textbooks. They can't adapt to real-time situations. They need massive amounts of labeled data, think, videos with every action tagged, which is expensive and time-consuming. Plus, how do you even measure if an AI is helpful during a task? It's like asking a teacher if a student got it, without seeing them work through a problem. Enter PROASSIST, a groundbreaking dataset that's like giving AI a script for real-world tasks. Instead of relying on expensive human-labeled videos, researchers used existing footage from projects like Epic Kitchen, People Cooking, and Ego 4D, Everyday Activities, then trained AI to generate realistic conversations about what's happening. It's like teaching a robot to narrate your day as you live it. But how do you know if the AI is actually helpful? The team designed two clever tests. First, they compared AI responses to human examples, checking if the advice was accurate and timely. Second, they used another AI as a judge, rating if the conversation felt natural, like a peer reviewing a friend's work. The real magic. An AI that processes videos in real time, not after the fact. Imagine watching a cooking video. The AI doesn't just react to your actions, it predicts what you'll need next. Great job peeling carrots. Now let's move to the pan to free up space. It even breaks long tasks into chunks, like taking notes to stay on track during a multi-hour project. Here's how it works in practice. The AI watches a video of someone baking a cake, notices when they're done mixing ingredients, and suggests the next step. It's not just following rules, it's anticipating your needs, like a teammate who's always one step ahead. Why does this matter? This tech could transform how we interact with AI. Picture a smart kitchen that guides you through recipes, or a virtual assistant that helps you fix a car by watching your steps. The key is making AI not just reactive, but proactive, a partner that understands your goals and helps you reach them. Hey everyone! Ever wonder how AI learns to chat in virtual worlds? Today, we're diving into SIMMC-VR, a groundbreaking dataset that's pushing the boundaries of how machines understand and respond to human interaction in immersive environments. Let's break down what makes this research so exciting. SIMMC-VR isn't just another dataset. It's a treasure trove of multimodal conversations. Think video, text, and even spatial cues, designed to mimic real-life tasks in virtual reality. Imagine training an AI to help you assemble furniture or cook a meal in a VR simulation. That's the goal here. The researchers didn't start from scratch. They pulled video data from 6 existing datasets, like Ego 4D, where people film their daily tasks, and Epic Kitchen, where chefs cook. But raw videos aren't enough. They needed to turn these into structured dialogues. So they used AI to generate task goals, like change a battery, and recipes outlining step-by-step instructions. Here's where it gets cool. The AI didn't just spit out random steps. It learned from the videos, figuring out the correct order of actions. For instance, if a video shows someone struggling to open a battery door, the AI would infer the right sequence. Grab the door, open it, then insert the battery. It even catches mistakes, like when a user presses the wrong spot, just like a real assistant would say, "No, that's not it." But here's the twist. They didn't stop at static instructions. To make the conversations feel real, they created 3 user personas. Think of them as different types of people you might meet in VR. The quiet one who follows directions without asking questions. The curious one who occasionally checks in. The talkative one who asks endless questions. By mixing these, the dataset simulates the messy, dynamic nature of real conversations. And because AI generates 10 variations per video, it's like having a library of endless interactions to train smarter systems. Why does this matter? Traditional AI training often relies on scripted dialogues, but SIMMC-VR's immersive, task-based approach prepares systems for the chaos of real-world scenarios. Whether it's a VR assistant helping you fix a gadget, or a chatbot guiding you through a virtual museum, this research is making AI feel more human. Now let's talk about the real game changer, PagedAttention. Ever tried following a long video tutorial and got lost in the details? Imagine trying to have a conversation with an AI assistant while watching a 30-minute cooking video. The longer the video, the harder it is for the AI to keep up, like trying to remember a whole story after hearing it in pieces. That's the problem researchers faced with their new dataset, PROASSIST, and how they solved it. The key issue: long videos create prompt overload for AI models. Think of it like this. If you're reading a 100-page book and someone asks you to summarize it, you'll need to chunk the information. PagedAttention does the same for AI, breaking long videos into manageable pages that the model can process sequentially. This allows the system to focus on relevant details without getting bogged down by irrelevant context. How does it work? PagedAttention uses a hierarchical attention mechanism. Instead of treating the entire video as a single sequence, it divides it into smaller segments, or pages. Each page is processed independently, with a model dynamically deciding which pages to revisit based on the task. For example, if the AI is helping you assemble a bookshelf, it might focus on the cutting wood page first, then switch to attaching shelves once that's complete. This mimics human attention, prioritizing what's relevant at any given moment. This innovation isn't just about efficiency. It's about making AI more adaptable. By handling long, unstructured data, systems can now assist with complex, time-sensitive tasks, like real-time language translation during a live event or monitoring a factory floor for safety hazards. The result? AI that's not just fast, but smart about what it's processing. So next time you're tackling a project, remember, the future of AI isn't just about answering questions. It's about understanding your world and guiding you through it, step by step. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, what task would you want an AI assistant to help with?